Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I'm going to be your instructor for AEP858 this term. I'm excited to get to work with you. I wanted to make a video and talk about our first module to give you a little bit of insight and some guidance as you work through it. So it'll be a fairly quick video, but I want to make these and I make one for each module, so this is the first one. So whenever I start and log into our course shell in Blackboard and our current community, I always start with Fort Hays. So I start here, and then I go to Student, and then from there I choose Blackboard. And then from there, I'll choose my course. Now my screen looks a little bit different than yours, but you should have a courses link, and then I'll click on our class, and we're in this class right here. So we'll click on that one. And then our course comes up. And I kind of want to give you a little orientation. So this is what our Blackboard shell looks like. So whenever I want to access our course shell where our assignments are, I always come here. Here's our current community. We'll talk about that later. And then here's our assignment calendar. But today we're going to focus on our assignments, our modules. So we're going to go to course shell. It should pop up. And then right down here are your modules. That's where your assignments are. And this video is going to focus on our module number 1, which is an introductory video. So you click on that. And then this window will pop up. And one thing that I always do is I click right up here, and that expands it to full screen. So here is your first module. This first module is an introductory video. Most classes at Fort Hays have this same module or one similar to it. And it just basically involves you making a video. I use Screencast-O-Matic to do that. And that's what I'm using right now. So it works pretty good, and I upload to YouTube. So kind of here is the educational leadership skill assessment. So you'll reflect on your career as an educator. You'll create a Google slide presentation, and then you'll provide some basic demographics about yourself, such as how long you've been in education, your goals, reasons you might want to become an educational professional. Now for this course, educational professionals, or it could be a principal, it could be a reading specialist, it could be an instructional coach, it could be a media specialist for library media specialist, it could be a reading specialist, it could be anything, any type of building leadership, department chair, etc., all apply to this course. So what you're going to do then is after you do your basic demographics, you are going to talk about some other demographics related to data in this course. So you're going to create a reflection on your process your school district uses to analyze and use data to inform instruction. You're going to critique your own basic knowledge, your own personal knowledge, and then you're going to propose a plan to help you enhance your current knowledge. Then what you do after that is you'll create the slide the correlation to the standard, and this is on all of your modules. Will be this little piece right here. So you put that on your slide as well. And then finally, after you get your presentation done, you'll use Screencast-O-Matic or Screencast-Castify or something like that to make yourself a narrated presentation, kind of like what I'm doing here. And try to keep it 4 to 5 minutes. Don't make it really long. Got to kind of get to the point and get it done. So, and here's a few tips. So this is your first module. I'm excited to get to work with you. If you have questions, please let me know.